In this video, we listed the 5 best impact wrenches that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. The DeWalt Black/Yellow Impact Wrench is a powerful and durable tool designed to handle a wide range of fastening applications with ease. It delivers an impressive 1,030 ft-lbs of maximum fastening torque and 1,400 ft-lbs of maximum breakaway torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. With 4 adjustable speed modes and a variable speed trigger, users can achieve precise control for different applications. The precision wrench control feature helps prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff, ensuring consistent and accurate results. Built with a battery guard system, it minimizes wear and tear on the battery through a shock-absorbing connection, battery sold separately. Additionally, the integrated LED work light enhances visibility in dark or confined spaces, making this DeWalt impact wrench a reliable companion for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN CMCF 940 M1 Impact Wrench. The CRAFTSMAN brushless impact wrench in sleek black is built for power, efficiency, and ease of use. Featuring a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers improved runtime and durability, making it perfect for demanding tasks. With up to 700 ft-lbs of maximum fastening torque and 1,000 ft-lbs of breakaway torque, this tool easily handles stubborn bolts and heavy-duty fastening jobs. Its compact and lightweight design enhances comfort during extended use, while the 3-speed settings and variable speed trigger provide precise control for a variety of applications. The integrated LED light ensures clear visibility in dark or tight workspaces, improving accuracy and safety. Additionally, it's Versatrack compatible, allowing convenient tool storage and organization. Overall, the CRAFTSMAN brushless impact wrench combines power, precision, and practicality, ideal for both professionals and DIY users. Number 3. Protmex 900 ft-lbs Cordless Impact Wrench. The Protmex 21V Cordless Impact Wrench is a powerful and efficient tool designed for both professionals and DIY users. Featuring a high-performance brushless motor that delivers up to 3,500 revolutions per minute and 900 ft-lbs, 1,200 Nm of torque, it provides longer runtime, quieter operation, and a spark-free performance. With 3 variable speed modes in forward and a fixed speed in reverse, users can enjoy precise control for different applications. This kit includes 2 4.0 rechargeable batteries and a fast charger, ensuring extended use and quick recharge times for uninterrupted work. The built-in bright LED light enhances visibility, allowing you to work comfortably even in dark or tight areas. Designed for versatility, this cordless impact wrench is perfect for removing rusty bolts, repairing tires, assembling furniture, and maintaining vehicles or machinery. The 2-way brake stop function adds convenience and safety by preventing nuts from flying off after loosening. The complete set comes with 4 impact sockets, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, 24mm, an extension rod, and all essential accessories, ready to use right out of the box. Compact, reliable, and user-friendly, the Protmex Impact Wrench is an excellent all-around solution for automotive repairs, construction, and home projects. Number 4. Alloyman Cordless Impact Wrench. The Alloyman Red Cordless Impact Wrench is a powerhouse tool engineered for demanding, heavy-duty applications. Delivering an impressive 1,475 ft-lbs, 2,000 Nm of breakaway torque, it effortlessly removes even the most rusted truck lug nuts in seconds. Perfect for semi-trucks, construction equipment, and automotive repairs. Powered by an industry-leading brushless motor, it provides 50% longer runtime, superior efficiency, and 0 spark risk, ensuring consistent high performance during extended, high-intensity workloads. With 3 adjustable speed and torque modes, ranging from 159 Nm for light tasks to 2,000 Nm for industrial-level fastening, This wrench gives users precise control to match every job. Its 4,000 milliamp hours Li-ion battery supports over an hour of continuous operation and fully recharges in just 2 hours, making it ideal for professionals on the go. The anti-fatigue ergonomic grip is designed with shock absorption and oil resistance, reducing vibration by 40% for superior comfort and stability during use. The kit includes the impact wrench, a 4.0 Ah battery pack, a fast charger, and 3 impact sockets, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, everything you need right out of the box. Backed by a 365-day warranty and dedicated after-sales support, the Alloyman cordless impact wrench delivers unmatched power, reliability, and user comfort for any tough job. Number 5. DOVAMAN TITANCE X9 Impact Wrench. The DOVAMAN 20V cordless impact wrench is a powerful, heavy-duty tool built to handle even the toughest fastening and loosening tasks. Featuring advanced brushless technology, it delivers an impressive 1,050 ftLbs, 1,400 Nm of fastening torque and 1,650 ftLbs, 2,200 Nm of nut-busting torque, over 3 times the torque of comparable models. Perfect for wheel lugs, bolts, pipe fittings, and industrial flanges, this impact wrench ensures superior performance on every job. Equipped with a 5-mode speed control system, 3 forward speeds, and 2 reverse modes, including auto stop, it allows for precise power adjustment to match different applications. The high-efficiency brushless motor provides more power with less noise and a longer lifespan, while the 4,000 mAh lithium-ion battery offers extended runtime and recharges fully in just 1.5 hours for uninterrupted productivity. Designed for user comfort and convenience, the DOVAMAN wrench includes a bright LED light for improved visibility in dark or tight spaces, along with a low-vibration, ergonomic handle that reduces fatigue during extended use. The complete kit comes with a 3/4-inch cordless impact wrench for 0.0 Ah battery, fast charger, belt hook, portable tool bag, and user manual. Backed by responsive customer support, the DOVAMAN impact wrench combines exceptional power, control, and durability, making it a reliable choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts alike.